Have you ever wondered how AI real-time projects are reshaping our world? It's a fascinating question, isn't it? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is no longer a concept of the future. It's here, and it's real. Now let's talk about real-time applications of AI. These are systems that utilize AI algorithms to generate immediate responses, making decisions in the blink of an eye. These applications are rapidly becoming an integral part of our everyday lives, seeping into various sectors like healthcare, transportation, and finance. In healthcare, real-time AI is revolutionizing patient care and treatment methods. In transportation, it's transforming how we travel, and in finance, it's reshaping how we manage and invest our money. The influence of AI real-time projects is indeed profound and transformative, and it's just the tip of the iceberg. To understand this better, we'll delve into a case study that showcases the power of AI real-time projects. Consider the healthcare industry, a sector where every second counts. In this high-stakes environment, AI is not just a buzzword, but a tool that has the potential to revolutionize patient care. Let's examine a case study that demonstrates this transformative power: the use of real-time AI to analyze patient data and predict potential health issues. Picture a system that continuously monitors a patient's vital signs, looking for subtle changes that could indicate a developing health problem. This is precisely the role of the AI system in our case study. This AI isn't some distant, impersonal entity, but a constant companion, working round the clock to safeguard the health of the patient. The AI system operates by analyzing a vast array of patient data, from heart rate and blood pressure to oxygen saturation and sleep patterns. It uses advanced algorithms to assess this data in real time, looking for patterns or anomalies that might indicate a potential issue. What sets this AI system apart is its ability to predict rather than just react. Traditional healthcare systems often respond to health issues once they've occurred. In contrast, our AI system is designed to forecast potential problems before they become critical, allowing for early intervention, and in many cases, preventing a health crisis. The benefits of this system are multifold. For healthcare providers, it offers a powerful tool for patient monitoring, reducing the burden on medical staff, and freeing them up to focus on other aspects of patient care. For patients, it provides peace of mind knowing that a watchful eye is always on their health, even when they're asleep or going about their daily routine. As for its impact, it's hard to quantify the lives this AI system could save or the health crises it might avert. But one thing is clear: it represents a significant step forward in healthcare delivery, harnessing the power of AI to provide real-time, personalized care. This case study provides a glimpse into the transformative power of AI real-time projects in our everyday lives. The potential of AI real-time projects is vast, and we are only scratching the surface. The future implications of these projects are staggering. Imagine a world where efficiency isn't just a goal, but a standard. A world where decision-making is not based on intuition but on hard data, processed and analyzed in real time. In various sectors from logistics to finance, AI real-time projects can revolutionize operations. In logistics, for instance, AI can streamline supply chains, reducing waste and improving time management. In finance, real-time AI can analyze market trends, providing insights that can lead to more strategic investments. Furthermore, the applications of AI in our daily lives are set to increase. Think of smart homes that adapt to our needs, or wearable technology that can monitor our health in real time. As we continue to embrace AI and its real-time applications, the possibilities for innovation and improvement are